Hey guys, my name's Aiden from ADM Programming, and welcome to a mini tutorial. This is no way related to the Discord JDA series, but I think it's pretty important. So today we're going to be learning about the basics of embeds. And as you can see by the site I'm on right now, this is a great little site. It shows you a lot of the things you can do with embeds. So it shows that you can use a subset of Markdown. So you have strike through, you can use links. You can use code blocks, you have headers, you can use emojis, have images. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And I already set up the bot, and if you don't know how to set up the bot, you can look at my basic JDA series. The first two videos should show you how to get it set up. And went ahead and created a new command called embed. And inside here we have it replying hello right now. But we're going to get rid of that, stop the bot. And we're going to write our embed. So the way we're going to do that is the first thing we need to do is create a new embed builder. So we're going to create an embed builder. I'm going to call it EB equals new embed builder. Alright, so it's going to make us import this. And once we do, we should be able to actually create our embed. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set the color of our embed. Now, easiest thing to do here, just look up RGB color picker. And let's set this nice little red. Now all the color is going to change is just this little line right here. You can make it whatever color you want. I'm going to make it this nice color of red. So I'm just going to set that like this. And I need to use new color. And then we have our RGB here. Have to import color, and it should work. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to set the author. So as you can see in here, we have the author right here. This is, by the way, this is not Java. This is JSON. So don't worry about any of this stuff right here. This is just an example. So we can change the author right here. We can change the image too. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to use EB to set author, and we have this one right here. So we can set name and URL. So what we're going to do actually is we're going to make a custom help menu with just showing our two commands. Just for example, so we're going to do ADN bot commands, and for the URL, so this needs to be a URL to an image, like a circular image. So what we're going to do is we're going to do e.getJDA. This is for example. You can use a normal URL like a string, but we're going to use e.getJDA dot get bot dot user get self user dot where is it get here we go. Get avatar URL. And we're gonna save this right here. And so we set our author. It's gonna be you can use author like title. A lot of times I think it looks better than title, so I just use author instead. And now we can set a thumbnail. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do eb.set thumbnail, and I'm just gonna use the guild icon or server, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to e.getGuild, and we're going to do .getIcon URL. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to create some fields. So we're going to go here, we're going to create a new field, and so we have to put three things in our field. We have to put the title of the field, the description, and whether or not we want it to be inline. I'm going to explain that real quick. If you go back here, look at the visualizer, these fields are not inline. So if inline is set to false, then every single field, this is one field right here, every single field will be in one line. Well, two lines really, but it'll be separated by a line. If you use right here, like it says right here, these are inline fields, then these two are going to be right next to each other. So what we're going to do first is we're going to set this to true because we want this to be nice and fancy. And we're going to write for our command, so we're going to do ADN plus help. And I'm just going to write shows default help menu. And then we're going to create another field yet again. So we're going to take this, duplicate it, we're going to write ADN plus embed, that's the command I have set up. And we're going to write shows custom help menu. And I'm just going to show one more quick thing. Then I'm just going to create a non-inline field. And well, let's see. I'm trying to think what I'm going to do this for this. I think I'm just going to do a Discord link. So I'm just going to do, create a new field. I'm going to do join our, Discord link. We're going to write join our Discord. Because that's going to be what it's going to say. We're actually going to turn this into a button. And for inline, we're going to set this to false because I want this to be on a separate line, not connected to either of these. So now what I need to do for this, because I want this to actually be, like as you can see here, this right here is an actual link. So if you click this, it's going to bring you to the Discord website, for example, which I'm just going to do for the heck of it. Anyway, we're going to do that. And the way you do this is you need to have brackets. No, not brackets. Square brackets around the text you want, and then parentheses around the link you want. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to grab the link from our Discord. We're actually going to use the ADM programming Discords. The link will be in the description if you ever do want to join this. It's currently in development, but if you have any questions about the code, whatever I ever do in this video, just feel free to let me know. I'm on Discord pretty often when I'm not in school. Anyway, so we're going to do join our Discord, and we're going to have this link right here. And I think that's everything we need. So before we actually do anything, we need to build our actual embed. Now, you don't have to, you can save this as an embed, which we're going to do, for example, I'm going to show you both ways, actually. So we're just going to do embed equals eb.build. Because you need to actually build the embed. So, I'm sorry, I'll change this to message embed. And now we can do e.reply embed. However, if you don't want to have this extra line, you can just simply take this eb.build, put it right here, and then it should work. So let's try this out. Alright, so we're going to start it right up. We're going to head over here, go back to our test server, and we're going to type in ADN plus embed. And here is our custom embed. It's the ADM bot commands, and this is a link to our avatar. So if you want to look at the beautiful avatar, there it is. And then we have our join our Discord link, and when you click this, it'll automatically bring you to the Discord. And if you're not in the Discord, it'll help you join it. You can also use things like, for example, you do copy link here to a message, you can put that here, and when you click it, it'll automatically bring you to that message. Those are just a few of the basic features that can be used for embeds. And really, overall, they just look awesome. A quick little tip before I go. I am just going to show you guys this because I love this feature. If you want to just be really simple, all you have to do is just do eb.setDescription. And then you can do like, I don't know, what's a random thing? Your preference has been, or actually, you know what? I don't know, like, how about your stats have been updated? If you want to have something fancy that differentiates your bot from just a normal user, embeds are a great way to do that because a normal user can't use embeds. So if we do this right here and we type in embed, it just says your stats have been updated, but it's a much fancier way of displaying messages. So whenever I make bots, a lot of times I only have it display with embeds because I think it looks really cool. But anyway, if you have any problems, just let me know. Join the Discord server. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video.